You just get up every day upon the earth now serve no purpose. You get me? So now tell me about gathering.
So that clip is from a live that TeeJay did and somebody mentioned something about gathering and TeeJay never to agree with it. So me I go tell you know where him say coming right up. But let's take a look at Popcorn consume some bully beef unruly style.
So what go on so?
Corned beef go on so brother. Yeah,
Corned beef go on.
Yeah, run off and different over this. Yes, uncle, bless up.
So how much is it do?
Come on, no fuck. Just I use and make fashion.
Undo.
And over Africa, so the people they slap with food, you know. Yeah, man.
That is it.
Well, coconut water in there.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
You know, I mean, I like bring up bad things still, people. But couple months ago, TeeJay lose 3 friends one time. So when me hear TeeJay I react on him live to somebody where I talk about gathering in other manner, yeah, I could understand, right? Because TeeJay say him lose film friend them and him lose friend where they talk about them gather up also. So you know when a man tell them about no gathering, the best thing you do is live your life and stay out of trouble, right? So me I go show no what TeeJay say, but him post a next video this morning. So me go watch that one there first.
Good morning, world. I'm TeeJay and I'm here to give you guys some motivational speech, okay? Hey boy, some boy and girl need to go look work, you know. And get up every day for a man, name a chat man, you know, and no want nothing in a life, you know. There me I tell you no, some girl on a shape like a St. Lucia economy. Hey, some boy and a girl alone a yamed on a bigger yamed too, you know. Can I get up every day a brag and boast and toast and host and all of this thing and where will we go when Corona done? I don't not own no bed. I don't take care of the mother and the pitney. Hey boy, and don't get me grieving now, go look work, you know. And come off a people clock name as Morning Light, you know. When you go on roadside, go sit down and drink beer or smoke weed, you know. Go find something there with your life in 2021, you know.
Next part of the video where me I go show you now, TeeJay real serious, you know what I mean? This a serious matter and him attack some real thing. I'ma agree with him 100%. Enough man out there talk about gathering. There's no proof that nothing can guard you when time, you know what I mean, you go pick trouble. When you go pick up trouble, nothing can guard you. But we are gonna listen to what TeeJay say. Hear this.
Who dead how go live about live? Tell her that. So me believe too. Me believe in that already. You want some correct. Me believe in that. Here, if you don't want dead, protect yourself and stay out of trouble and do the right thing. If you're dead, you go dead and you go carry yourself go dead. Because you're not focused. You understand? You don't know what you want, you don't know what you need in a life. You just get up every day upon the earth now serve no purpose. You get me? So now tell me about gathering. Gathering, brother. What gathering I gotta do for your youth? Follow nobody about gather up to make money, brother. I want to think about to pitney them, brother, in the life, brother. And do some things sometime in the earth, brother. Destruction come follow on the pitney them, brother. You see me? Destruction come follow on the pitney them. I wonder what more while, brother. Or something, dog. That's the only God you have, your brother. And God, brother.
People in the next part of the video, TeeJay talk about him friend them were dead, right? And him get 100% raw and uncut. So I want to show another piece there, but please people, I want to give me 4 minutes for me explain that song your phone and then me I go tell you know what TeeJay say. Alright?
You know it's turbulent. Hurry up. Exodus. A guide over us. Sky boss, them a blast and a cool. Try to stop you.
So the name of this song is Always Walk and it's by Skyboss, Missionary Global and Turbulence. I'ma have a voice note from Skyboss himself and I'ma explain about the rhythm and the production. So hear this.
Yeah man, I'm in Skyboss Missionary Globally and I'm open for Turbulence pan tour. And the reading when me put out near Sky Global have on 8 artists pan it.
May I go pay the rest of the voice note for you soon. But here we go and let's hear some more of the song.
I got tanga through them a labaloo. Missionary pop in the brew. Slap in your boo. Call up everybody in the broach. I go on the crew. There ain't no stopping us now. We top in the chart. And you can't do it now. So perish the chart. So any weapon where you walk, I go.
They have a little article for read what the star do about the artist and the song. And it reads as follows. Missionary Global collabs with Turbulence. US recording artist Sky Boss Missionary Global is upbeat about his latest rhythm called Sky Global, released under his record label Sky Global Music. The rhythm features a host of known dancehall and reggae acts. Among the song is a collaboration with Rastafarian artist Turbulence called Always Walk.
It's a trick. My soul can never be bought. Walk with me, just take my hand, just. You know, we go tell you say your life over finance, just. I pray for your guidance.
Me don't know which radio station I grew up listening to, but me, the side of the island where I forward from, Irie FM I mostly play. So I say, we play radio too so sometime, but Irie FM was the thing. And that song give me that vibes there, you know what I mean? Like Elise Kelly kind of would have played that song, you know what I mean? Big A or somebody from Irie FM. This definitely, even when Ron Mushet used to dip on the radio in the morning time. I have a video with Bass this is selector, Damian Delinji. I big up that song and I big up the whole production, the whole rhythm. So let's hear some more of this song.
I beg you walk with me, just take my hand, just. Only Jah alone I can rely on. If I not in my self-reliance. Them attack Sky Boss, don't even listen them. Them a baby.
So we just touching a Sky Boss verse, but while on the Sky Boss, make we hear what Damian Delinji say about your production and about your song.
Yo, boom, watch on the man for the hear my voice, you know, Damian Delinji, this for Bass this. Hear me as a people. You don't know me represent for the country son every time. But right now, man, I represent for Sky Global Music. I know the Sky Global rhythm are lucky whole world right now. So people make sure say, when they get to no copy them now, because the Sky Global rhythm are lock the whole place. You know what I mean? So yeah, me Sky Boss, big up on yourself, you know, man. You know the thing go, man. Damian Delinji this from.
Them mother those christen them. Then go eat too much KFC chicken then. Burn up this whole grabber when they shoulda use a little blem. Them all a chat and all a move like them a sissy. I want to see me flap is spread it all over the city. Oh, me fi flap when the girl a Mississippi give me bang.
So like we said at the beginning of the video, people, this is our juggling rhythm. So we're going to make Sky Boss explain who else step on the rhythm. So listen.
The collab here with me and Turbulence. We have Teflon Punny, we have G-Wiz, we have Higher Journey, Danger Chris, we have Drop Again Punny, and we have a female artist named Sky, S-K-I.
Walk with me, just take my hand, just. We go tell you say your life over finance, just. I pray for your guidance, I beg you walk with.
People, me know so no can't get for pre the music video 100, but it bad people, you see me? So I'm going to put the link in the first comment so no can get for watch it in full.
Just give me the green light, Babylon you mean like. I feel make it in a life away you feel like. Humble but me never soft, real vibe. Can't get me down, you must see senile. Rock off my soul and today I cry.
Makala style like call and answer. When you hear Turbulence to theme part, then Sky Boss to theme part. And people, remember say, it's a whole rhythm, right? And it's available on all streaming platforms, so you can check it out.
Thy face because no higher than I. The wicked down know thy words, so they are blind their eye. But from the ends of Jah earth shall I testify. Walk with me, Jah. Take my hand, Jah. We go tell you.
So in closing, people, I really like that tune and I like the visuals will go with it. I'm going to put the link so you can get it. More I want to get in the comment section and tell me how you feel about this. Because we need music like this. I can really appreciate that song. You see me I say, so big up Sky Boss Global and big up Turbulence, right? And big up everybody else with the pan rhythm. So now I could get back to the TeeJay video. So TeeJay I say, woman are the biggest guard because woman know what going out the road and them can listen and come back come tell you, right? So let's hear what TeeJay say.
Woman is the biggest guard. You come tell me about gathering. Fuck, you out of my friend them dead. I tell me about gathering and as them next day them dead or next week or so them dead. Tell me about gathering, G. Mad. My God, I'm a guard, brother. My girl and my gun, my Bible and my money. Cause anything me I do, when you come on to business, me do it from my pocket. Alright, that's all. Cause art now work again, you have to do it from your pocket for people rate you nowadays. And that me see. You get me? Don't tell me fuck her. Yeah. One big up on yourself, some new music forward. See me? Stay positive youth and do enough and take care of the family. I make use of life. See enough of we live to see December here, we are coming here in November and October. Enough youth not live to see this year. And enough of them did guard up. Get me? Just go and protect on yourself, G. Ladies, protect on yourself. Sometime in our life, you see things them where you know will make people hate you. Because sometimes not good. Because not everybody go get the same understanding where next person can get. That's why I'm not reason with people. That's why I'm not reason with people. I always make people just try to say, oh, Chippy them a fool or Chippy them love laugh or this. I'm good. I like people know about me, brother.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.